Hello everyone, my name is Brandani Mar and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the recipe of Kasrod ka Achaar, which is made in almost every household in Chamba, and everyone has its own unique recipe of making it. And Kasrod is grown under deodar forests like these. In Chamba it is known as Kasrod, and in other districts of Himachal Pradesh it is known as lingard, and the English word for it is fiddlehead green. It is a forest produce that grows in sheltered damp areas and other deodar forests at an altitude of more than 2000 meters all over the Himalayas. It is a type of fern that is found during the monsoon season. This grows on its own and it takes little effort to pick them. The villagers pick them from the forest and sell it in the market. As Kasrod grows on its own, it uses no pesticides or fertilizers, and because of that it's totally organic. And because it is grown widely, it needs to be washed really nicely to wash off soil, hairy growth on its surface, and bacteria that it may be carrying from the damp soil. This plant grows in mountains in Asia and Europe, and people of Jammu also consume it in the form of pickle. People in North and Northeast India, amongst the other parts of the world, consume it in some form or the other. People go foraging for it in some parts of Canada, and they add it in pastas and baked vegetables. This plant is rich in nutrients. It carries high amount of calcium, potassium and iron. It is also rich in flavonoids. Flavonoids are various compounds found naturally in many fruits and vegetables, and they are said to help in the prevention of certain cancers. And the slimy mucilage of Kasrod helps in digestion. Now that I've told you about this plant, let's see how the Kasrod ka Achaar is made. So that was it for today's video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to press the like button and share this video. And please don't forget to press the subscribe button if you want to watch more such videos on Chamba. Goodbye and thank you.